Our customers are the lifeblood of our business, so when they give us a glowing review, we love telling everyone about it. And that's because we're focused on giving each customer a 5-star experience. Let me share what one of our customers had to say about us. And this is what they had to say. Attention to detail and customer satisfaction are among our top priorities. And as you can see, this stellar review is proof that we succeed in providing top-rate services and complete customer care to each and every client. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Come by and experience our impeccable service today. We love to make you a happy customer. We appreciate you stopping by and watching. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We are only one call away from serving you.